my fibre friends, and how are we all today? Well, we're going to be talking about dolls today. I have one of my good friends, Jennifer. I told her that I wanted to work with dolls, clothe them, do a couple of outfits, and then I'm thinking of selling them, because obviously I've got no girls. And I bought, she bought me this little dolly. Isn't it cute? It's an 18-inch doll. So I've got some patterns. I found a very old pattern from Etsy. Was it from Etsy? It might have been from Etsy. I found this pattern, but I wanted a pattern that had vest and knickers. So I found one. So I plan to be doing this whole outfit for this little doll, for this little dolly. And when I was little, obviously, you know, my dad taught me how to knit. Well, my nan, my dad's mum, taught me how to make dolly's clothes, knitted ones. But this time I want to do crochet dolls' clothes. And so I bought this. Well, I didn't buy this. This was gifted to me by my friend Jennifer. And I plan to dress the doll, and I'm planning on selling it. So what do you think, ladies? And I know Pamela, is it Pamela's Adoring Crochet? She does dolls' clothes patterns as well. So I'm going to check her patterns out. And so I'm thinking of selling, making them and selling the doll. What do you think? I'd like to know your thoughts on that. I've got no girls. There's no girls in that we've got on the Simpsons side. We had the first girl born last year to my to our nephew and his wife Vicky. They had a little girl, the first one in 3 generations, I think. Is it 3 or 4 generations? 3 generations. Yeah, 3 generations. So it's the first Simpson girl in all that time. And then I was in a shop called, we've got a shop called Home and Bargains, and they sell all sorts. They sell food, toiletries, a bit like your Dollar Tree, only not quite as thingy. So I bought this one, and I'm going to dress her. She's an 18-inch doll too. So I thought I would crochet some clothes, so they've got a couple of outfits each, and make them dolly's clothes, and then see if I can sell them. But I need to sit down and figure out how much to charge, which is, and you know that people don't want to pay the price for your time and the yarn. It's just a fact of life. But they don't realise all the love that you put into it, do they really? I mean, we wouldn't crochet if we didn't love it. And but I just thought, we'll see. So I just wanted to talk about dollies and what what your thoughts are. I would really appreciate what you thought about that, and it'd be interesting to get your concept of or ideas on what I'm thinking of doing. We all help each other in the crochet community, and that is really something that I would appreciate. So we'll see, shall we? We'll see what it does. But I would really appreciate your ideas and thoughts on what I could do, or where I could go from here, or if there's anything you think I should do or I shouldn't do possibly. So I am going to leave it there, and I would so much appreciate your ideas. So thank you once again for watching and for subscribing. Don't forget to give the thumbs up, like, and possibly share with your friends. You don't have to, but if you do, that would be amazing. So until next time, take care everybody and stay safe. Bye for now.